And yet another variant of COVID-19 has been detected in the UK. This mutation was originally identified earlier this month in South Africa. Now the UK is shutting down travel from South Africa. Leaders of countries around the world are trying to stay ahead of this new highly transmissible variant. Maggie Rulli joins us from London with the latest on that. Maggie, good morning. It seems like the hits just keep on coming. What do we know about this new mutation?
Well, Diane's a good point. This is not the news anyone wanted the day before Christmas, but this is a new mutation. So scientists caution that there's still a lot of more research that needs to be done, a lot of things we need to learn about it. But it's serious enough that officials here in the UK quickly came out calling it something they were extremely concerned about. So there's one we're talking about that happened yesterday. It's a variant. They believe it originated in South Africa. They say they already have at least 2 cases here in the UK, and they believe that it spreads more quickly. That's what they're so worried about. They think it could have been even behind that dramatic rise in cases that we saw in South Africa as well. So something to definitely keep our eye on. Definitely they're concerned about it. And Diane, as you said, the hits keep coming because this is the second new variant that the UK government has announced just this week. Earlier, if you remember, there was another variant. We believe it originated here in the UK. That one they also think is more contagious. So that's 2 in 1 week of potentially more contagious strains. It definitely has people on edge here in the city, throughout the world, countries scrambling to keep up, closing their borders. But Dan, I do want to note that, again, people are still studying this right now. It doesn't appear that these new strains are more deadly. And also major vaccine makers like Pfizer and Moderna say while they're studying the variant, they do not think it's going to change the vaccine's effectiveness. So a little bit of good news we're trying to hang on to there, Diane.
And we have a little more good news, too, in the UK with AstraZeneca submitting its COVID vaccine for approval. What's the timeline on that?
Well, Dan, we've been waiting for this one. They just submitted for approval here in the UK, and they say they're going to submit for approval in the US in the new year as well. So hopefully soon we will have another vaccine in this fight. And the really good news about this one from Oxford AstraZeneca, Dan, is that unlike Pfizer and Moderna, it doesn't need that ultra cold storage. So many people say this could be a game changer. You know, hundreds of millions of doses of this vaccine have already been ordered around the world. They're hoping it can get to remote rural developing nations as well, rural areas in the US. So a lot of eyes are on this vaccine. Again, hopefully in the new year for everyone in the States, you'll have that approval coming through, something that I think we're all desperately waiting for, Diane.
Absolutely. Maggie Rulli in London. We will take that Christmas gift. Thanks, Maggie.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.